Generating email campaign ideas. About. If you're looking for email campaign ideas, Chat GPT can be a powerful tool to help you generate fresh and creative ideas for your next campaign. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, Chat GPT can analyze your requirements and provide you with personalized and relevant ideas that can resonate with your target audience. Chat GPT can save you time and effort by generating multiple ideas that you can choose from and tweak to fit your brand's voice and tone. Hey Chat GPT, can you give me 3 email campaign ideas for promoting my new product to millennials, with a focus on sustainability and social responsibility, while also incorporating visual storytelling and gamification elements to increase engagement? Can you suggest 5 unique email campaign ideas for boosting engagement for my e-commerce store during the holiday season, with a focus on personalization, retargeting, user-generated content, and exclusivity to incentivize purchases? I'm planning to launch a health and wellness-related email campaign for women aged 30 to 50. Can you help me come up with 10 creative ideas that focus on emotional well-being, stress reduction, and self-care, while also incorporating video tutorials, expert interviews, podcasts, and community building to enhance the customer experience? Hey Chat GPT, I need 2 email campaign ideas for re-engaging my inactive subscribers who have not interacted with my brand in the past 6 months, with a focus on personalization, incentives, user-generated content, and exclusivity to encourage them to come back and engage with my brand. Can you suggest 3 email campaign ideas for increasing brand awareness for my startup in the B2B space that focus on thought leadership, content marketing, partner promotions, webinars, and social media advertising to generate leads and establish credibility in the market? Tips. Use specific keywords related to your product or service in your prompts to get more personalized and relevant ideas from Chat GPT. Experiment with different prompts and tweak the generated ideas to fit your brand's voice and tone. Use Chat GPT as a starting point for your brainstorming sessions and combine its generated ideas with your own to come up with the perfect email campaign.
If you liked this video and don't want to miss the next ones, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications.